we go. So again, we're asked to find the sum of the measures of the interior angles. We know that the formula n equals the number of sides, but the formula is n minus 2 times 180. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So n equals 6. Okay. So then I'm going to say 6 minus 2 times 180. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 times 180 is 720. So what that means is if I were to add up this angle and 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 this angle, they would all add up to 720 every time. Every six-figure convex polygon will have a sum of 720 degrees. So now for this one, I got to do the same thing. They're asking us to find the value of x. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 angles, which means I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So I'm going to say that n equals 4, and that n minus 2 times the quantity 180 is how I find the sum of all those. So then that's going to give me 4 minus 2, which is 180, or times 180, which is 2 times 180, which is 360 degrees. So then that means 360 degrees is the sum of all these interior angles. So 360 should equal x plus 70 plus 132 plus 87. So I got out my handy dandy calculator, and I'm going to say 70 plus, whoops, clear that out, 70 plus 132 plus 87, 289. So I'm combining like terms. X is equal, or not, I'm sorry, 360 is equal to x plus all this stuff added up together, which is 289. Now I'm combining like terms on this side of the equal sign because that's easier to subtract one term from both sides than to subtract 3 terms. So I'm cutting out a step. If you solve this problem by moving the 70 over to the other side, then in the next step moving 132 over to the other side, then in the next step moving 87 over to the x side, or the other side, you're still going to subtract 289 from the left side and the right side. So this one saves me a couple steps by combining like terms. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 360 minus 289. Now this cancels, and so I'll get x is equal to 71. And that's it. Okay? That's all we do.